Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 134 in League of Legends. So here's what you're going to do. Go to search, type in add or remove programs. Once it opens, you want to click here, search apps, type in Riot, and you want to delete the Riot Vanguard from the list. Click on uninstall, yes, yes. You can also delete League of Legends from the list, but that is not necessary. After the Riot Vanguard is uninstalled, you want to exit out of this, reopen Riot Client. Once the Riot Client opens, you want to go to League of Legends and then click Update. Allow it, and it will install Vanguard. Once the Vanguard is installed, it will say your game requires a system restart. Don't restart it just yet. Exit out of this. You want to go back to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, click here, allow another app or feature, click change settings, allow another app, click browse, go to local disk C, go to program files, press R on your keyboard till you find Riot Vanguard. You want to add the VGC, the 59,000, add it, click add. I already have it. For you it will add it, and then go back to browse, local disk C. You want to go to Riot Games, Riot Client. You want to add the client to the list. And you want to add League of Legends, so Riot Games, League of Legends, and you want to add the client, the 29.740. And after it's on the list, you want to find it. It says here LoL Launcher. You want to make sure it's tagged for both public and private. Same for Vanguard and for Riot Client. After you've done that, you want to exit out of this, go back to search, type in run. And run, you want to type in this services.msc, click OK. Once it opens, you want to press somewhere here, press the V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Double click on it, switch this from manual to automatic, click apply, OK. Exit out of this, go back to search the last time, type in system configuration. Once it opens, go to services tab, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. Untick it, take it back again, click apply, OK. And it will ask you to restart your PC. And after you restart your PC, your game should work properly after it. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanguard 134 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.